We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet 9015. We're going to show you how you can put in your own IP address if you need to. So on the top of the menu, you're just going to click, it's going to lower down, and then there's this little gear icon for the settings. We're going to click that, and then we're going to go down to network setup. And on this you have your wireless options or your Ethernet cable options, so you can click which one you want. And on that you go IP settings, and on this menu, if you set it on auto, of course you can't enter your own IP address. You're going to go to manual settings and then IP address, and you can type in the IP address that you would like and push done. And that should be it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.